talk about how you can use scripts to be consistent. Oftentimes we have classrooms that are struggling getting from one place to another. So for example, we might have a third grade that is having a hard time getting from the cafeteria to the classroom. So what we want is all the adults to use the same script for the kids. So they may say to the children, remember, left side, straight ahead, let's go. Versus what should you be doing? How are we supposed to be walking? Should you two be looking at each other? That's when things unravel. So we don't want somebody saying, oh, remember, go to room 300, and somebody else say, where are you supposed to be? If we all start to say the same thing, that script will help kids to kind of follow along because it's so consistent and they won't get mixed messages. The same thing is going to happen for a child who might really be struggling and they need to kind of redirect themselves. If all the adults redirect using the same 3 words, and the idea would be when she says, we say, and fill in the blanks, you'll actually help that child along the way much quicker and with more efficiency than you will if everybody responds to it differently. Because that's just going to mess things up. All right. So get on the same page. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.